Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add money in Vantage, and we call this in a option deposit. So what you need to do is you click right here on deposit, and then right now you select here the account where you want to deposit money on. Then right here we select the amount, so let's do 100 euros, and then you can also select right here a voucher. Keep in mind, max deposit amount left is this amount, and we need to verify our identity to deposit money to our account. So make sure that you first did that. Right now, if you click on continue, I think he's telling us exactly the same. But right now, that's not a problem. But what you need to do from here is select how you want to put money on your account. So let's do a EU bank transfer. And then right now it's saying verify your identity. But from here, it's very simple. You need to follow the next steps. And then on that way, you can put money to your account. So make sure that you verify your personal details, your identity. And then after that, click on EU bank transfer. And then you can put money or add money in your Vantage account. So this is how you can add money on Vantage. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.